Hey, it's Jake over at Heartland Marine. This video is for basically a specific client. He wanted us to have a quick release for the captain's chair. So normally a captain's chair comes here and it's just bolted into the floor. So my thought was get kind of a table mount, and I wanted to make the video to kind of demonstrate for that client what my thought process was. So here I've got a nice sturdy base. The chair gets mounted somehow. Well, the table mount looks like that, so we'll just have to figure out how to mount the chair to basically the bracket to the underside of the chair. But the whole chair, this is one piece, comes out. Or if you're ready for it, take this, spin that, and then that's locked into place with the chair on it. And then if you wanted to take that out, it might be hard to do with one hand, but you push the lever here, and then actually I'll just step on it here. Press the lever and you're out. So that was my kind of thought process on how to do a quick release for the chair. So just wanted to show you that.